Hello, I am happy to be sharing my personal experience at the online class. My name is Sandra Silva-Cisneros, and this coming semester I will be teaching a Spanish class online. I learned a lot, and it is something very beneficial for first-time online instructors to feel that we have filled that empty basket with lots of knowledge and information. There's lots of things that I encountered that were somewhat stressful. For example, recording. It was a big challenge to record oneself, but for a good cause. And it gave me the advantage and the self-confidence that I am able to record myself. Another thing that I really like is the sharing with other classmates of information that they found useful for their online class. And so the sharing of information was awesome in the fact that I also got a lot of resources, websites, informational pages, very useful for creating my online class and useful for my future students. Things that I plan to do are very focused on the students' needs. And so my goal will be to communicate effectively for them to comprehend, to have a good contact so that they are able to access me whenever possible. To give them the opportunity to redo, give enough allotted time so that they are able to have enough time to submit the assignments. Again, a lot of the things that I learned from the teachers, the instructors, which they were awesome, thank you so much, is the willingness to hear you. And so having these online live conferences, and they were always willing to, respond and a quick reply and have these online meetings were very effective, very useful, and as an online student, I feel very confident. Again, the focus is again to follow the five online principles of being an efficient instructor, and I think that with again Pat and Aloha, which they did an awesome job, I will be able to follow through with their advice and become an effective teacher. So again, for all of us as new online instructors, it is a new challenge. But with these awesome class and this awesome instructor, I think it's a challenge that we will be able to allocate. So again, my focus will be to communicate, to be productive, informative, supportive, and again, willing to help my students. All right, well, this is it. Thank you so much for listening and have a great semester. Bye-bye.